Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with Tom and his list of D. Now, the last film, episode 6 I think it might have been. I'm sure this is episode 7. We tried to start Tom's list of D, but after watching the video and thinking about his engine, we realised we'd not set the timing, so and it was actually miles out, so it was never going to start. So this evening we set the timing, haven't we, Tom?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we've got a little bit of fuel in it. We've oiled round. We've not put any coolant in the top yet. We're going to wait and see if it tries to start first. And we're going to have another little go. We've actually ordered a new head gasket for the engine. So when that comes, we're going to have the head off and perhaps give the valves a clean. I think Tom's leaning towards wanting to repaint the engine fully, aren't you, Tom? Yeah. Right, so we're going to have a go at trying to start it. Okay. Right, you want to just get out of the way a little bit. Turn that way. Hold that down. Over the top. That was a little bit more.
A lot.
Like it.
Oh, a lot more.
That's it. Well, it was considerably more than we got last time, Tom.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
So we'll try again. And I think we're filming a comedy. Well, it started. Wasn't sure what to do with it once it started and got going faster and faster. Obviously we've got to adjust the governor a little bit, I think, so we'll just have a tinker about with it now, and then I think we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hello again. Well, after Bucking Bronco started up last time, and it took us rather by surprise. We weren't sure what to do to stop it or anything. We've had to think about how we're going to stop it when we try and start it again. I've adjusted the governor a little bit, the linkage, so I think that's what controls the tick over. We've put some coolant in it and we notice it's leaking slightly out around the head gasket, so we've actually got one ordered, so we're going to take the head off, grind the valves back in, and we've got all that to do once the gasket arrives. We're just going to have another go at starting it and see what happens with me holding it down, hopefully this time. Right then, okay Tom.
Bye. Goodbye forever.
Go, let's see what happens. Flame out to exhaust then.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at which water's lost.
Well,
Gosh.
we've got a rudder.
Oh.
We've got a rudder, Tom.
Okay.
What do you think to that?
It's good. Yeah.
Good, fantastic.
It's loud.
We're going to have to probably fasten it down a bit better, I think, before we try and start it and leave it running for any length of time. But that's great, we've got it going again, so we're really pleased with that.
Going? Oh yeah.
And yeah, obviously there's still a lot of work to do on it now, so I think it's going to be a bit of a strip down and repaint and see what we can do. So if you've enjoyed laughing at us, like, subscribe, and we'll provide you with more comedy. Thanks for watching. Bye.